Welcome to NovaTech. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Here are 7 ways to earn a living with artificial intelligence without working for a company. Artificial intelligence is one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time, and you can make money out of it. Every industry in today's time is powered by AI, as businesses are using it as a competitive tool. From chatbots to efficient customer service, to using it for analytics to making predictive recommendations, artificial intelligence is leading the world forward. That makes AI an unmissable technology. If you work in the IT industry, you must be habituated to use programming languages, work with different frameworks, build software for companies, and write various codes to escalate problems. But don't disregard AI as an integral part of the IT field. AI and its many applications can help you earn a living and stay updated with modern tech trends. Here's how. Number 1. Become an AI entrepreneur. It takes a problem solver to become a business leader. So many things around us that need better solutions, like global warming, excessive workloads, faster deliveries, improved emergency healthcare, etc. Basically, there's always something to improve around us, so figure out a pain point you want to target. Get a team to brainstorm ideas, define the target audience, plan a solution, pitch the idea to investors, and get going with your own AI startup, and make this world a better place while earning profits. Number 2. Improve machine learning application in e-commerce. For good or bad, the COVID-19 pandemic has replaced the habit of shopping at physical stores with online shopping for almost everything. Because e-commerce shopping is in demand, this is the time to use machine learning and keep enhancing the experience. You can build a better recommendation engine, personalize the service, predict supply and demand faster, build improved visual research, and build a better security system. You can also create conversational interfaces and automated customer service tasks. Number 3. Get competitive with chatbots. Every e-commerce website has a chatbot that will pop up as soon as you open the web page. This is because companies are tapping into the potential of chatbots to provide 24/7 customer service. That doesn't mean you can't contribute to this buzz. Chatbot as a virtual assistant is the next development, because AI is the technology that allows chatbots to mimic a human while conversing. You can teach the system how to talk using NLP. There are pre-made platforms like Microsoft Bot Framework, BotKit, and Dialogflow that will make this easier. Number 4. Leverage your business with AI. If you run a business, you can make it more efficient with AI. You can use data from your customers and target their social media feeds to show useful products that your business offers, or make applications that will lighten your employees' workflow. If your business has an app, there are several ways to improve it using AI. For example, you could use speech synthesis to make your app convenient for people with weak vision. Number 5. The trend of blogs never died. No, blogging is not dead. It just has different forms now, like video blogging and audio blogging. If you are good at understanding and explaining complex tech concepts, you can start a blog to tutor budding engineers and developers. First, identify what you're good at. Then, start writing blogs on your own website, or make vlogs, or start a podcast. You can also create and sell online courses, and even write a book. If you want to teach, there are many possibilities. Number 6. Develop your own app. If starting a business of your own seems like a daunting task that will bog down your mental health, solve the same pain point by developing an app. Almost every service-related app uses artificial intelligence. You can make a simple app powered by AI and monetize it by adding a premium subscription or selling ad space on it. Number 7. Compete and win. There are many machine learning competitions that allow programmers to earn money. Kaggle is a popular ML platform that offers prize money to winners, and Numerai is a tournament where data science professionals can compete to predict asset prices. Many other machine learning competitions allow programmers to practice before competing. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about how to make money with AI. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for content just like it.